Welcome to my channel. Have you ever wondered how to make your internet faster, more secure, and more private? By changing your DNS settings, you can improve your browsing speed while protecting your data from tracking. In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step to set up Cloudflare DNS on Windows 10. Before we begin, let's quickly understand what DNS is. DNS, or Domain Name System, translates website names into IP addresses, allowing your computer to find and connect to websites. By default, your internet provider controls your DNS, which can be slow, unreliable, or even used to track your browsing history. Switching to a private and fast DNS like Cloudflare ensures better security, privacy, and speed. Now, let's set up Cloudflare DNS. First, right-click on the network icon on your desktop and select Properties. This will open the Network Status window, where you can manage your internet connection. Find your active internet connection. If you are using Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi adapter. If you are using a wired connection, click on Ethernet. Then click on Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IP. Now, select Use the following DNS server addresses and enter the following. Preferred DNS server, 1.1.11. Then alternate DNS server. These addresses belong to Cloudflare, which is known for its strong commitment to privacy and fast DNS resolution. Click OK to save your settings, then close all windows. Your computer is now configured to use Cloudflare DNS. To ensure the changes take effect, you can restart your network connection. Simply disable and re-enable your network adapter, or restart your computer. Now that you've set up Cloudflare DNS, here's what you'll gain. Better privacy. Cloudflare does not log your browsing history. Faster internet speed. It resolves website addresses quicker than many internet service provider. Stronger security. It protects against phishing and malware websites. Unrestricted access. Some internet service provider blocks certain sites, but Cloudflare DNS can help bypass those restrictions. That's it. You've successfully switched to Cloudflare DNS. Your internet should now be faster, more private, and more secure. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next video.